Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to Heat Pumps, brought to you by Endless Energy, your mass-save heat pump leader. Can a ductless heat pump really do all that? Can you say overachiever? Ductless heat pumps have one of the highest satisfaction levels of any HVAC product. They deliver some of the highest energy efficiencies while solving many home comfort problems. It can both heat and cool, even in the same day. Get year-round comfort with just one system because it can provide heating and cooling. In New England, sometimes you need heat in the morning and AC by the afternoon. A ductless system can do that. Can a ductless heat pump heat and cool my whole home? Yes, you can decide to heat and cool one room, one area, or the whole house. Can you zone a ductless system? Zoning is easy with a ductless system. One outdoor unit can control up to 8 zones, giving you room-to-room comfort. Can you save money? Many homeowners report savings of up to 50% when switching to a ductless system. Does it qualify for mass-save heat pump rebates? You may qualify for huge mass-save rebates, incentives, and financing options. What else can a ductless system do? Perfect when converting an attic, garage, or basement into living space. The last thing you want is to add more load to your existing system. Easy to add air conditioning. Increase indoor comfort. Save money and energy. Improve indoor air quality. Do you have an older home without ductwork? Ductless is the perfect solution because it does not require ductwork to heat and cool your home. Ductless heat pumps are whisper quiet, making them ideal for spaces like the master bedroom, a nursery, or a home office. Endless Energy is a mass-save heat pump leader, featured in the Ductless directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their achievement in home energy efficiency. Based in Marlborough, with additional locations in Needham and Randolph, Massachusetts. Get your no-cost home energy assessment. You may qualify for mass-save rebates and incentives. Call 508-501-9990 or visit goendlessenergy.com.